Here we go. We've got a 2022 Rivian R1T. Absolutely beautiful gray color. But it's got a large dent in the right bedside right above the plastic bumper. It actually has the bedside pushed in about 1/2 inch. Before we start taking anything apart, we're going to set up this pull tower here. This is going to enable us to attach some glue tabs to the panel and do some pretty strong outward pulls with it, which not only is going to help us move this dent out, but it's also going to help us to realign the panel a little bit. Here we're attaching our glue tabs, and these are some long Kiko crease tabs that are bendable with the panel, so as the panel's dipped in, these will follow that dip. These are those strong pulls I was talking about earlier. This is the Kiko tabs attached on there, ratchet strap attached to the pole, back to the pull tower. This allows us to put a strong outward pull, which gets that panel moving. We'll have to do more of these as we go. It's not just a one and done. Once we've got the panel pulled as far as we think we need to pull it, then we go inside with metal rods and we slowly start pushing the metal and manipulating the metal back to a nice, flat, smooth, pre-damaged condition. After hours of manipulating the metal using glue tabs and pushing from the inside and knocking down small minor highs from the outside, this is the end result using Paintless Dent Removal. This was a one-day repair. There was no fillers used, no paint work involved, maintaining the factory finish both inside the panel and outside the panel. Give us a call today or look us up online.